D6 Enterprise Propulsion System User Tutorial. Assembly. Matching throttle ID and propeller direction. Let's take the N7 Autopilot, with our DuPilot firmware, and the D6 Enterprise Propulsion System as an example. Select the motor according to its rotation direction, CW or CCW. Adjust arm diameter. D6 propulsion system is factory defaulted to adapt to 30 mm arm diameter. If the arm tube is less than 30 mm diameter, a reducer assembly needs to be added between the arm tube and the D6 to ensure that the system can be installed and used normally. Install and pre-tighten. Pass the wires through the arm tube. Install the system to the arm. This step only requires pre-tightening the system to leave enough room for timely adjustment during subsequent trimming. Balancing. Use a FADA to calibrate the system horizontally and vertically. Lock to the arm. After confirming the installation is balanced, you can lock the system to the arm to ensure stable installation. D6 propulsion system is equipped with rivet pre-holes. It is recommended to use rivets to reinforce the arm to ensure the stability and safety of the overall structure. Patch and wiring. After passing the wires through the tube, we connect the PWM signal wire to the corresponding throttle output channel pin on the flight controller. If you use a CAN throttle, connect the CAN signal wire to the CAN hub and connect it to the flight controller's CAN port. Then, connect the power cable to the power distribution board to finish assembly and connection.